Hello guys, today we are going to take a look of the new Android Go optimized pixel launcher on almost any Android device, and you can get it on your Android if you're running Android 5.1 plus, and it is available for the low-end smartphones out there in the market, and you can get it on your Android too. So guys, without wasting more time, let's get right into this video. So guys, how do we download this launcher? So just go to this GitHub website, then you will find a rootless pixel launcher 3.4. Well, the first download link was about the AOSP optimized APK, and the second is i3 Go optimized APK. So just download the i3 Go optimized APK, which is the Android Go version, and the launcher 3 AOSP is the Android AOSP project launcher. So just download this i3 Go optimized APK, and then you are ready to set up with the new Android Go pixel launcher. While this launcher has all the features like the pixel launcher, you will find the Google Home page and also the app drawer. The app drawer also supports white and black wallpaper depending on your wallpaper, and you will get the access to the folder, and also the shortcuts are also working, nothing to worry about. And the launcher is pretty sleek, everything is working, even no force stops. Well, you can see that if you just scroll down, you will find the notification panel, and if you go to the home screen settings, there are nothing, just the user home screen settings of the pixel launcher. And also, let me show you, and also the shortcuts, just icon is changed, but everything is still the same as the shortcuts. Well, if you click on wallpapers, you'll just go select the wallpaper you want. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye bye.